Good YouTube. Before this video start, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what y'all want me to do next with unboxing. But today we're going unboxing and we'll go hop right into it. So stay tuned. Alright, so we got the Amazon package. We'll get right into it. I kind of forgot what I bought. We'll get right into it. Let's see what we got. And comment, subscribe, everything, so you get notified every time I post a video. See what I got here. Oh, I remember this. Y'all hold on, let me grab some. Alright, so I remember this. It's 5 gel blaster. Alright, so we got this, battery and stuff. Oh, the flashlight. I forgot. That's all reason I bought this new flashlight. Orbeez. Safety first. Safety glasses. Y'all hold on. Sorry, I had to get something. Alright, so I showed y'all the flashlight, everything else. Got the standard mag. Oh, safety first. Forgot these safety glasses. Like 10 pair of these. Safety first. Oh, they got smudges on them. Extended clip, drum mag. And we got the gun. If y'all have one of these, this feels like a BB gun. Then we got the instructions or whatever. Which we don't need that. So yeah. Let's get right into it. So we're gonna open this little bag. Got the charger. Don't need that. Got a sight. Big sight though. Got the battery. Got some Orbeez 500. 1,000 of them. I have no idea what that goes to. And we got the, I can't wear these. And then we got this. I think this goes in the safe. So yeah. We're gonna install the light. Then you gotta put this through here. And then like put this on here somehow. Bro, try not to break this. It's just one thing that I'm not trying to do. I think you push this. Bro. Push it. Alright, there we go. Got it. We gotta push this all the way in. Now, there we go. I didn't see it. I was outside. Ow. It's on there. Wait. Ooh. Let's install the battery. Let's see. There ain't a lot of room in here, so see if the flashlight works. Oh, the flashlight works. See if the gun works. Is that on? Yes, sir. Turn this in the battery, the flashlight on. Alright, so how are we gonna do this? Alright, so these down there. I'm trying not to break these little cords. Alright, that was easy. The rest of them, they're usually tight. But put that in. Now, we're gonna put the sight on next. Alright. Is that the right way? Oh, it's this way. Put that in that little hole. Now. Alright. So this is what the magazines look like. That's kind of tough, but we ain't gonna use that one. That one. We ain't gonna use that one. Let's grab the drum mag. We're gonna use this mag. Yeah. But overall, it's a pretty good gun, and I'm the smart one. And didn't soak any Orbeez. So I'll go back to y'all whenever I soak Orbeez. So unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to soak Orbeez, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and comment down below what y'all want me to do next. Peace.